everybody. We are at a sanctuary and I'm with my friend Max. Say hi, Max.
What's up? Hello.
So Max is an animal rights activist like me, but before we start talking to Max, check out these pigs here. Look at this sweetheart. You got some cute feet. You got a cute little face. And then this little one. Look how tiny. Just a cute little itsy bitsy pig. All right, Max. So Max is an animal rights activist. And Max, tell us why you became vegan or how it all started.
I went vegan 6 years ago. At first it was for the potential health benefits, but then I learned about what's going on in dairy farms, chicken farms, you know, all these horrible and cruel practices in the industry, how they raise, treat, abuse and kill animals in the end. So that's when I started to do animal rights activism, and here I am now promoting animal rights and trying to convince people to be kinder to our fellow earthlings.
The egg industry is just a cycle of misery. They lie to you endlessly. Don't buy eggs, walk away. Go to egg-truth.com today.
So it's interesting. I didn't actually know that you became vegan because of health at first. So what did you read or hear about?
I was already vegetarian, and I came across Mike the Vegan's YouTube channel, and he mainly tackles the potential health benefits of the plant-based diet and the downsides of eating meat, dairy, and eggs. So after binge watching all his videos, I decided, okay, that's enough with dairy and eggs, and that's when I became plant-based, let's say. And a little bit after that, I learned about the ethics behind it, why it's so wrong and cruel to just buy eggs, dairy, meat, all that stuff. It's just so unnecessary, needless violence on innocent animals. We can do better than that.
Yeah, and you also had a TikTok account that was taken down, unfortunately. How many followers did you have?
Yeah, I was at a bit more than 700,000 followers on TikTok, and unfortunately it got taken down. I got a new one. It's the same name. It's stop_eating_animals. Should start doing some lives.
But the stop has the number 0 instead of an O.
Yeah, it's a 0 instead of the O in stop.
It's important we tell people because there's so many fake accounts. Yeah, and
but you should be able to find me pretty easily.
Okay, good. Yeah, so I'm encouraging Max to get back on TikTok and do more videos because he was so good. If you guys can just follow his account, and I'm going to encourage Max to do more lives too because he was so great, so patient. But yeah, it's tiring after a while, repeating the same stuff over and over, right?
It is a bit exhausting, always having to answer the same questions and answering the same dumb comments. But it's part of the job, and we have to do it for these little cuties here, you know?
Yeah, these little cuties right here. Little cutie patootie. Hello. Hi, sweetie pie. Hi. Hello. So adorable. But yeah, Max, what I was going to say, I mean, it's, most people know that I work like all the time. And I'm also worried about burning out sometime, right? But so I'm giving you the same advice I should be giving myself, which is that I think it's better that we slow down a bit rather than quit completely, you know? And I think you were doing, like you said, you were doing like 3-4 hour lives. That's a lot.
Yeah, maybe it was a bit much in the beginning. Now it's a bit tough to get back into it. But I know I have to do it. It's just finding the motivation to do it again.
Yeah, it's hard, but like maybe just start. And a suggestion would be maybe to start to do some lives while you're eating dinner. Just put the camera there with your kitchen. It can be your kitchen. Then you just like, you know what? I'm eating anyway. Might as well see who's out there, and then just start talking. Half an hour a day or something. And,
while cooking or doing something.
Yeah, like while you're doing something, maybe that's an idea. Yeah. While cooking, though, you might have to move the camera around a lot, and people are weird. I think, like, oh, what are you eating? It's so gross because
spaghetti, just like you know.
Right? Every time, don't you find when you're vegan, they always want to know what you're cooking, and they expect it to be this whole like beautiful thing. And like I just eat like oatmeal, and I eat like
butter toast.
Like nothing, just a regular salad like everyone else. Yeah. But yeah, so after that, you became vegan for the animals. And what do you think is our biggest obstacle right now? Why do you think that people are not going vegan quicker?
I feel like there's a lot of social pressure. People don't want to feel judged, or I feel like people know deep down that needlessly torturing, abusing, and killing animals just for food pleasure, just for taste pleasure is wrong. But they don't want to be the weird one, or be looked at differently, or made fun of. So they just decide to make fun of animals being tortured and killed instead. But it's not funny. There's nothing funny in that. I feel like everybody should just stand up for what's right, and abusing needlessly animals for stupid taste pleasure is not right, definitely. So I feel like it's just, do the right thing.
Yeah. And what advice would you give to people whose family members are not being vegan, when they have asked them over and over again, tried to show them the videos? Like almost every vegan animal rights activist is surprised that their whole family isn't automatically vegan with them, right? So what advice would you give to people?
Yeah, the thing with family is that they're just regular people. You don't have much control over them, and there's maybe a bit of a bias coming from them, since you are maybe their child or their sister, their brother. So they are maybe not as willing to listen to you coming from that. But you have to understand that these people are just regular people, just like any Joe Blow on the street. So if they are not open to the message, there's not much you can do, unfortunately. Like some big name activists like Earthling Ed, even his family is not vegan. His parents, his brother, they're not vegan. So even if that kind of guy who has a super smooth approach and is recognized to be one of the best in terms of outreach, even his family is not vegan. So in the end, it just depends on how open-minded your mother or your father or your brother or sister are. And if they are not open to the message, there's not much you can do, unfortunately. You can just continue to try to educate them, sensibilize them. Sensitize them.
Yeah.
And that's it. Try your best, but don't worry too much about it. Maybe concentrate your efforts more on more open-minded people,
Yeah, exactly. It's really hard because a lot of animal rights activists think, oh, well, I'll just keep talking to my mom, my dad, or my kids a little bit more, and then they'll get it. And a lot of people are just so devastated because they're the people that they have to eat with every day. And yeah, I would agree with you. I think just move on to other people, keep doing activism on social media. Try to reach out as many people as you can. I mean, I have this theory that it takes 100 clicks to become vegan. You're not going to be vegan just because you met Max, as good looking and charming as he is. You're probably going to be like, meh, you just meet me, so then there's 2 clicks maybe. But you gotta, go and see the animals. I mean, we're here with some horses. We're here with all kinds of animals. Over there's there's ducks and there's geese here and all kinds of animals. And when you see them in the eyes and then you realize, wow, I used to eat animals, how crazy is that? And it kind of helps to...
It's pretty crazy. Like petting these pigs earlier, it's pretty crazy to think that I used to eat their brothers and sisters, It's really saddening. We don't have to do that. Pigs are just like big dogs, They just want to play and have their belly rubbed, They don't want to be tortured and put in gas chambers, screaming to death. So if we don't have to do it, I think we shouldn't be.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. The dogs have such a great life here, right?
Yeah, they do.
We're all free. All the animals are great here.
Yeah.
All right, Max. Hey, thank you so much for chatting with me.
Thank you
guys
for your
make
time.
sure.
Thank you for your work.
Thank you. Make sure you guys follow Max on his TikTok account. I'm hoping that we're going to raise up his numbers, and but even if the numbers don't go up, the point is that you just do it a little bit each day, consistently, or he can have weekends off.
Okay, all right.
And maybe maybe we'll work together sometime.
All right.
Yeah, that would be cool. All right, let's go see some animals. Come on.
We were all taught to believe one way, but what happens when you wake up one day and you see waiting to live. Don't close your eyes, don't close your eyes to what's right. Don't close your eyes, don't close your ear, don't close your ear to what's real. Don't close your ear, don't close your heart, don't close your heart. Turn on the light, turn on the light for your integrity. It's time now to reveal and find the courage to feel. And find the courage to feel. We were all taught right from wrong, but they made mistakes 'cause they were human all along. But now you know, now you have the facts. So will you watch TV or have a drink? Try to distract yourself so you won't have to think. Or will you come to see it's time to act? Don't close your eyes, don't close your eyes to what's right. Don't close your eyes, don't close your ear, don't close your ear to what's real. Don't close your ear, don't close your heart, don't close your heart. Turn on the light, turn on the light for your integrity. It's time now to reveal and find the courage to feel. And find the courage to feel. Don't close your eyes, don't close your eyes to what's right. Don't close your eyes, don't close your ear, don't close your ear to what's real. Don't close your ear, don't close your heart, don't close your heart. Turn on the light, turn on the light for your integrity. It's time now to reveal and find the courage to feel. And find the courage to feel. And find the courage to help this world heal. And find the courage to help this world heal. To help this world heal. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right